Once again, welcome back to Progen Media TV for all the latest news, latest updates and information happening around town. Yes, many thanks to you wherever you're watching in from, and kindly consider subscribing and also hitting that notification button so as you're notified whenever we have any update. Yes, in today's story, the Commonwealth lauds President Yoweri Museveni over COVID-19 response. Yes, the Commonwealth Secretary General, Lieutenant Honorable Patricia Scotland, has hailed President Yoweri Museveni for the proper response to the COVID-19 pandemic in Uganda. I must commend you, Your Excellency, and your leadership for what you did right from the very beginning in terms of leading this by listening to science, listening to the empirical evidence, planning and helping to get the population to support the measures. That is what she had to say. Yes, Mrs. Scotland made the remarks when she paid a courtesy call on the president at State House Entebbe on Tuesday. She was accompanied by the senior director at the Commonwealth, Professor Franceschi, and the communications officer, Mrs. Temitope, Kalejaiye. Yes, by immediately taking measures based on science, Scotland notes Commonwealth countries have done very well in handling the pandemic that has killed over 2.6 million people, infecting over 121 million people worldwide. She cited countries like New Zealand, Barbados, Bangladesh, and Uganda that have gone further to develop their own local vaccine. She asserted that the Commonwealth was fortunate to have the medical practitioners at all levels acting as a family that shared their expertise and knowledge on the pandemic. She urged the Commonwealth member states to continue sharing information, science, and research in a bid to combat viral diseases. She recalled the 1918 Spanish flu pandemic that devastated the world. And the world was baffled upon evoking similar measures President Museveni and other Commonwealth leaders took aimed at controlling viral disease spread. Yes, what they did in 1918 to 1919 is what you have done for now, especially for the pandemic. Closing places of worship, limiting the number of people coming together, wearing of masks and hand washing, she said. Nearly a year since the first COVID-19 case was confirmed in the landlocked Uganda, the country has recorded 334 fatalities. Of the 40, yes, 593 cases have been confirmed. Yes, according to the Ministry of Health, 1,599 people have since recovered from the viral disease in a Sunday primetime televised national address. Yes, President Museveni acknowledged Uganda's pandemic fights thus far as a success, while Mr. Museveni and his Tuesday guests also discussed a wide range of issues, among which were the strategies laid down by the Commonwealth towards the implementation of the proposed toolkits covering economic, social, and infrastructure sectors in the entity's member countries. Yes, many thanks to you wherever you've been watching from. Live Progen Media TV. Consider subscribing.